Yeah, hello. This is my Coronet consort, round about the 1970s, I would think. I have refurbished it and played around with the saw table to give it a just over 2 3/4 inch depth of cut, running an 8.5 inch blade. I modified the table a bit underneath to take the extra blade diameter, and it works fine. The planer, I don't know why they never made, Coronet never made the planer beds longer, but probably due to economy in those years, I don't know. But anyway, this one's got the rear bed extension, as you can see, which is marvellous. But on the front I've done a bit of a prototype and made up a hardwood block to extend the actual infeed table to another 4.5 inches, which makes it really nice. You've got quite a decent length of a planer then. You can plane pretty long bits without too much problem. The 1 horsepower original Gryphon motor does its job brilliantly. Lovely motors they are, nice and smooth running. I'll just run it up, then you can, it runs very nicely, nice and sweetly, no problems at all. All the bearings have been redone and everything works as it should. It's a nice machine, I'm very pleased with it, and one of these what will go on forever. But it is bloody cold in here. I think if you was, you wouldn't feel it. If you nipped the end of your fingers off, you wouldn't feel it. But still, I have got some super glue, what I'll probably come to the rescue. But anyway, hopefully it won't come to that. But yeah, there it is. That's the machine. I hope that it's been a little bit informative. And I can say thank you for looking.